Hello, I'm Neil Lewis. I'm the founder of MediaModo, and we have developed the Breakthrough Canvas as a way to help entrepreneurs navigate their way through business liftoff and growth. The Breakthrough Canvas is a series of 6 segments that allow entrepreneurs to really investigate how and why they're building their business so they can navigate their way through the choppy waters. This particular video is video number 5, and we're focusing on team. Teams depend on great leadership, and everything rises and falls on that leadership. The ability to create a team is really the ability to make a business grow beyond yourself or myself. The director, Andrew Stanton from Pixar, had a philosophy which was to surround yourself with people who are more able than you, more talented than you, and then to create an environment in which they can constructively criticize the ideas and the approaches of the business. This is what we're seeking to do with the team. We're seeking for the team to make us better rather than to replicate what we can already do. It's proven that teams that have gender diversity have more revenue and are more successful financially. Teams that have international people included on those boards raise far higher numbers in terms of investment. So the team that you build is crucial. How would you go about building that team? Essentially ask yourself this question. If you had a vast sum of money, let's say £100 million or $100 million, who would you choose to have on your team? Who is the very best person that you could have? Because that's what you want to be looking to do. By putting the very best people onto that team who are inspired by your purpose, who understand the pains that you've identified, and wish to work to create a sense in which those customers feel treasured and valued, that's how to build a team that will take your business forward and magnify it in a way which you could not, or I could not, achieve on our own. As you can see, building a team obviously is going beyond ourselves, so it makes it less of a lonely activity and much more shared. And sharing a great business, a growth business, is a wonderful experience and something that you want to have with other people and for other people to be a part of. It also means that customers see the energy that you as a team are creating, and everybody wants to be around teams of people that know where they're going and are just making a decisive impact on the world around them. Great teams then reduce your costs, they attract more great people, more great resources, and so your business can magnify and perhaps even go beyond what you might imagine is possible. Thank you for watching this video about the Breakthrough Canvas. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you receive notifications about additional video releases, and then head over to Facebook and search for the Facebook group, the MediaModo group, and there you can find the Breakthrough Canvas, which you can download and begin to print out and begin to use. And you can also receive notifications about our free online events and the events we run across Europe.